Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Abhilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the charts of Euro USD and GBPUSD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So my dear friends, this week is important for the upcoming NFP. And as we all know, NFP is very important for every Forex trader. But the problem is that before a major event like NAP CPM market prefers to stay silent. Market doesn't move much. Market remains flat, and we can see the same story repeating again. We can see total silence in the market. Market is not moving much. But before the Friday's NFP, we also have data coming up each and every day during the US session. And at least we can expect that at the time of news or after news, there will be some volatility. Okay, so this is the present condition of the market here. You can see Euro USD not moving much. This is the 4-hour chart. Okay, this is a chart of dollar index 4-hour chart. You can see a flat line on the chart here. Okay, so let's discuss one by one. First of all, let's look at the market sentiment. Dollar steadies as focus shifts to job market. The dollar index steadied around 101.6 on Tuesday as investors brace for key US jobs data this week that could influence the magnitude of an expected Fed's interest rate cut this month. Dollar steady as traders brace for labor data huge. And if we look at the economic calendar, we can see today we have PMI coming up. So be careful at the time of news. And my dear friends, as we all know, and hopefully we all have paid the money also to the market by not following the trend of the market at the time of news. It's a bitter reality, but yes, technicals do not work much when the news comes out because when fundamentals dominate, technicals do not work. So when fundamentals or news will be dominating the market, please try to follow the trend of the market, not to go with the levels. And PMI is not a major event like NFP CPI, so you can expect the volatility to remain for 1 to 2 hours. After that, market should be normal again. Okay, so beginners, new traders, be careful when the news will be there. Okay, now let's look at the chart of dollar index. So dollar index is right now standing around 101.7, and we can see that okay, it is right now facing resistance around the 100 moving average. Okay, and if the news is good, the PMI is good for the DXY, then we can expect the market to go up, and DXY will face the next resistance around 102.50. If the market drops also, we can expect the market to stay above the crucial support of 100.5. I don't think so DXY will be going below 100.5 before Friday. DXY or US dollar index will try its best to survive above 100.5 till NFP. Okay, and today before the US session, if we see DXY is coming down, then we can expect the next support to be around 101.30 and 101.00. These are the two levels where we can expect some temporary support on the chart of DXY if it goes down. That's all about DXY. Now let's look at the chart of Euro USD. This chart is a little peculiar because we can see a contradiction between the overall trend and the present trend here. For example, if you look at the overall trend of the market here, then obviously we can see the market is going towards the upside. We can see bullishness. Okay. But as a day trader, if you just focus on the present trend of the market here, then we can see some selling pressure here. So we have a contradiction between the overall trend and the present trend. Now you must be wondering which trend to follow then. So it depends on your trading style. So if you are a positional trader, if you're a swing trader, then obviously you should be following the overall trend. But if you're a day trader, then obviously you need to follow the present trend of the market. And the present trend of the market is not very bullish. But as we all know that NFP is round the corner, we have news coming up almost every day. So I will suggest that if you are a day trader, listen to me carefully. If you are a day trader, then try to stick to the levels or go for level to level trading only. And at this moment, there is not much volume in the market. Do not expect much. Do not have high expectations because your TP will not get hit and you will be stuck. So be realistic and trade accordingly. So right now we can see that Euro USD is around 1.1055 or 1.1050. Okay, listen to me carefully. After the news, if dxy goes up, okay, if dxy goes up, then obviously there will be pressure on euro USD. If that happens, you can look for a sell below this area. You can look for a sell below 1.1040. You can look for a sell below this level. Where is the next support on euro USD? The next support on euro USD is on 1.100. 1.1000 is the next support on the chart of euro USD because of FIBO 50% retracement level, and plus we have the 200 moving average coming up. Definitely we can expect some support around this area. Again, I'm repeating, after news, if DXY goes up, euro USD drops, we can look for a sell below this area. And position traders, swing traders, day traders, everyone can look for a buy around 1.1000. Not only we have some technical significance, but also it's a psychological level. What psychological level? Okay. And on the other hand, okay, and on the other hand, if we see market going up, okay, on the other hand, if we see market going up, then we can look for a sell around these two levels of the market. 1.1105, sorry, what, 1 and 1.1120. You can see these are the two levels on the chart of euro USD where we can look for a sell as a day trader, and these are the levels that will not work at the time of news, because see, 1.1000 have many reasons to consider it as a support. But if we look at 1.1105, 1.1120, okay, we are simply using Fibonacci here, and right now there is not much volume in the market, so we are expecting our reversal trades to work. As a day trader, if you get 15 to 20 pips also in this market, it's good enough. Okay, 1.1105, 1.1120 are two valid sell opportunities on the chart of euro USD before US session only. Okay, and if you are sad, disappointed with euro USD right now because of less opportunities in the market, I'm sorry, my dear friend. Okay, now let's look at the chart of GBPUSD, British Pound, US Dollar. We have a similar story here, but if we look at the correction, then we can see the amount of correction is lower in comparison to euro USD. So in comparison to euro USD, so overall the chart is still bullish. So if you're having a buy on GBP USD, then you can continue with the buy position, and if you're stuck on a sell, then please try to exit at retracement. And during the day, if we see market goes for further correction or retracement, we can look for support around 1.3085 and 1.3035. These are the two levels where we can look for a fresh buy position on the chart of British Pound, US Dollar, GBP USD. And what is the reason? Let me show you. Here, okay, we are using FIBO here. Around 1.3035, we have FIBO 38.2% retracement level, plus we have the 100 moving average. And around 1.3085, 1.3080, we have the FIBO 38.2% retracement level, plus previous support around the area. So if market comes down, especially before the US session, because after US session, if you see that there's a big red candle, okay, then obviously this may not work. Okay, so during the day, if you see market taking support, and we can look for a buy around these areas. And if market goes up, then see, I have also marked two levels at the top, but these are minor levels. Do not expect them to work after news or at the time of volatility. So if market goes up, then we can look for a quick sell of 15 to 20 pips around 1.3170 and 1.3190. These are the two levels where we can look for a quick sell on the chart of GBP USD. Okay, and if you're already having a buy on the chart of GBP USD, you can continue with a buy position. If you're on a sell, and if you're in profit, then you can continue. If you're stuck on a sell, okay, then try to exit. Okay, try to exit, because one green candle and market will be trying to go up again. As I said, okay, the amount of correction on GBP USD is lower in comparison to Euro USD. Okay, so if we just look at the body language of the market here, it seems the GBP USD is just looking for an opportunity to go up again. Okay, so let's wait and watch. That's all from my side, my dear friends. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care. You must be knowing that the world's most affordable Forex trading workshop is back again. I conduct a workshop in both Hindi and English language. दोनों language में ही होता है. It's a 7 days workshop followed by 1 month support, specially designed for those people who are struggling with the market, unable to make money for last couple of months and years. Okay. You can see it's a 7 days workshop. There will be 3 consecutive classes here. Okay, and then there will be 4 weekly sessions. These are the dates. You can see Hindi classes. These are the dates, English classes dates, and weekly session dates. But I have an announcement that you don't need to worry. You can join now also. Till the workshop, you'll be receiving free updates, analysis, and after the workshop, yes, you will be receiving the 1 month support that I always give. Okay, so you can join now also. You'll be receiving everything for free. And these are the topics that we will be dealing during the first 3 days. I have carefully chosen the topics. We won't be discussing about SMC fair value gaps that are available online. We will be dealing with the hardcore concepts that are necessary for trader to survive in the market. And after the workshop, you'll be receiving this stuff like the lot size calculator, very important. Okay, and trade plans. And as I said, 1 month support. In 1 month support, okay, you will be added to a WhatsApp group where you'll be receiving regular market updates, analysis, and we also have live sessions from time to time. And yes, we also have a community on Telegram where you can meet traders from all around the world. You can share ideas, ask questions. Okay, if you want to see how does the group look like, okay, just click here. Okay, I have a sample video here. Okay, you'll just get a gist. And these are the topics of the weekly sessions. Okay, and all the classes are conducted over Google Meet, and due to time difference, many people cannot attend. So no need to worry, I record each and every session. Okay, and the best part is the fees, my dear friends. You can see only $20 or rupees 1500 for 7 days workshop with 1 month support. And trading is a journey. Trading takes time. 1 month is less sometimes, or most of the time. Okay, so if you're looking for personal sessions with me, if you're looking for WhatsApp support with me, then yes, you can also sign up for a semi-annual or lifetime. Okay, you'll be receiving all the things for the rest of your life. Semi-annual or lifetime is useful for those who are looking for a career in trading. Okay, and these are the payment methods. Once you are done with the payment, just share a screenshot to this WhatsApp number. I will add you to the group.